Well, this week was an interesting one. It was a friendly because we didn't have a ref. So we played the league game without a ref. So we're putting it down officially as a draw. The unofficial score, we got hammered. I think it was about 11 or 12-1, wasn't it? We don't know. The highlights will correct us. Good game. We had a good laugh, which was the main thing. First game back after Christmas. We were all a little bit unfit, which was evident 10 minutes in when everyone's hamstrings all went ping at the same time. Anyway, it was a good laugh, good game. Good to be back. Now enjoy the highlights.
Oh, get off! Oh, that's a foul. That's a foul.